Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of fuel level sensors, how they work, why they fail, and how you can fix them. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just curious, this video is for you. So, let's get started. The fuel level sensor is a device utilized to show the amount of gasoline remaining in a vehicle tank. It is usually located in the fuel tank or attached to the fuel pump carrier bracket. A faulty fuel level sensor can result in poor fuel economy, and you may have trouble starting your car and experience poor acceleration while driving. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the fuel level sensor related error codes. First, carefully remove the fuel level sensor from your vehicle. Visually check the fuel level sensor's float, sliding contact, wires, and electrical connections for any damages. Use a multimeter to proceed with a resistance test on the fuel level sensor. The resistance reading should be different when the tank changes from empty to full. Check your owner's manual for the standard range. If your reading doesn't match the owner's manual, then the fuel level sensor should be replaced. Always use a sensor that's compatible with your car. If the problem persists, consult a professional mechanic. And that's a wrap on fuel level sensors. Now you know how they work and how to fix them. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more automotive tips and tricks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.